So, Elon Musk offering to buy Twitter for $43 billion is somehow probably going to be bullish for Dogecoin. I don't know. Somehow. Decentralized. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the Bitcoin chart. I want to show you some levels that we actually held. I'm show you why I'm getting a little bit more short-term bullish, but things are kind of still looking a little bit bearish on the long term. But we're going to talk about what we need to go over on these charts. We're also going to talk about some bullish things for Ethereum right now. Some interesting things going on with Ethereum, and I'm going to have a question for you guys on that. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, share the videos. Please help me grow the channel. Go ahead and check out my website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. I do have links in the description for that. If you're new to crypto, I do have a course on there. About 2 hours, I can take you from zero to hero so you can know everything in cryptocurrency. But if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment box, or also hit me up to join my Telegram group. Damn, got so many things for you guys. I got so much shit for y'all. Yeah, anyways, let's get into this Bitcoin price right here. Looking at the Bitcoin price right here. So short-term action right here. This is a 4-hour chart, so I'm going to explain to you what's going on here. The first thing that's going on is this. We do have this double top right here that I have marked with these red lines up here. It's kind of on the long-term weekly time frame is where this double top is at. So in order for this double top to kind of disappear, which is kind of the looming bearish cloud that's above everybody's head right now, is this double top, is for us to get above this level right here of about $52,000 Bitcoin. So we're about a bunch of thousands away from that right now, sitting over here at around 39k. So right now we're nowhere near breaking that level. We're in the terms where we got to hold this level so we can have a fighting chance. We have to hold first. We have to hold above 39k 200 dollars, let's call it 39, and say we can't break below 39,000. Things will get kind of scary if we do that. If we break below 37.5, it is getting very bearish. The last bearish level that we can actually break down to and still have some type of hopium going on would be 35,000 at this point. We break below 35,000, this double top is solidified, it's in there, and we're looking at levels like 19,000. So we don't want to talk about that, right? We want to talk about this pattern that looks to be building right here on this daily chart. So we want to come up and try to tap the top of this white line right here, but we are below the 200 moving average, so that's telling us to be a little bit more bearish, and that's why I'm thinking, hey, you know what, we might be coming down to actually test, for sure, this 200 level. Don't want to really break below that, but after that, for sure, this 37k level might get tested, and it won't be a surprise if that happens right now, because we also got the bullish news and the Fed talks and the they canceled QE and all this other stuff that's going on that's supposed to be rocket fuel for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin was kind of created because of all of that crap. Maybe people might realize it, but I doubt it, because now we got Wall Street guys in here, and so Bitcoin's just following the S&P like everything else. So we're going to take a look at this Bitcoin dominance, which is going to lead me into my next part about Ethereum. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance, though, it is still going down. So very interesting. We see altcoins going down, but Bitcoin dominance is also going down. So of course a lot of people are going into stable coins, but looking right here, Bitcoin dominance got rejected on the 200 daily a long time ago. It's tested it a couple times, got rejected. So this thing is just showing no signs of strength right now. That's showing us that this Bitcoin dominance wants to bounce, which is very good for the altcoins in the long runs. And most of this Bitcoin dominance is made up by Ethereum, because Ethereum is the highest market cap, beating out, Ethereum's market cap is like higher than 50% of all the altcoins so put together. So Ethereum is a major part of this measurement right here, and we have some bullish things going on with Ethereum. So looking at this, it says traders move ETH off centralized exchanges into DeFi. So traders are pulling their ETH from centralized exchanges and locking them into DeFi smart contracts, suggesting that traders believe that markets may still climb higher. Now, this could be, I'm going to play devil's advocate real here, because this could be bad. Now, for me personally, between me and y'all, I talked to a bunch of people in this market, especially when we were super duper bullish, and everybody was saying, hey, when the market starts going down, I'm going to take my money and I'm going to stake it. Now, have you had that thought? Let me know in the comment box. Have you had that thought like, hey, I'm going to be staking in the bear market? Me, I said, I'm not going to stake in the bear market because coins drop by like 70% and staking usually like 10, 20%, only 50% sometimes. And if we drop 90%, different that's a different video. But basically, I talked to a lot of people and they said that once they felt like it was a bear market, they were going to move their money into staking. So seeing that people are moving their Ethereum off of exchanges, I'm thinking that this could actually be what's happening. But what happened in the past is when people move their Ethereum from exchanges, we see the price go up, kind of creating like a supply shock, I guess. So it actually is showing like bullish things in the past. When people remove their Bitcoin and their Ethereum from exchanges, it has been pretty bullish. And I wanted to talk to you guys about this paragraph right here that says, to sum it up, ETH deposited in smart contracts is approaching all-time highs. So this is not talking about ETH getting into people's personal wallets just to be in their wallets. This is actual ETH, 27.5% locked into DeFi protocols. This is huge. This should be way bigger news than it is right now. Like, people should be celebrating this. So people are expecting that price. This could affect the ETH price sometime soon, but also keep in mind, 27% locked in smart contracts. A bunch of ETH is also being burned in the process of people using these smart contracts, because now the ETH fees are actually burnt. So ETH is becoming super bullish to me right now. It seems like one of those coins that we're going to definitely have to keep our eye on in the next altcoin run, and it's something that I'm always DCAing into. I'm always, if you ever needed to know which coins that Jay is always DCAing into, sorry for referring to myself in the third person, I won't do that again. But if you ever want to know what coins that I'm DCAing into, ETH and Bitcoin are always there, because I feel like those two are always going to be around. Never sleep on ETH. But this is just pretty interesting to me. All-time highs for the amount of ETH put into DeFi protocols. That's great news. Pretty good news right there. So let me know what you guys think about ETH reaching an all-time high in the amount of ETH deposited in smart contracts. 33.1 million Ether locked in DeFi protocols. The TVL for Ethereum is super high. What do you guys think about Bitcoin and my sentiment there? As long as we stay above 35k, I have some hope in my heart that we can go and do some pretty interesting things. But hey, that double top is still there. Can't deny what you see on the chart. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and share the videos for your boy. Leave me a comment of anything you want to talk about or you need help with. Of course, ignore those scammers in there. Also, check out the hardware wallets, because you can't trust these exchanges. Of course, RIP to my brother Crypto Roots. Y'all think positive and positive things will happen. Till next time, peace.